Morning sun is calling through the rain, washing all the hurt, easing every pain. Mama said stand tall, don't lose your way. Love will light the darkness into day. Lift your eyes beyond the fear. Every soul is welcome here. One love forever, shining like the morning light. One heart together, keeping hope alive tonight. No walls between us, no chains upon our soul. One love forever, together we'll be whole. Children laughing by the riverside, dreams are blooming where the tears once cried. Every color, every hand we raise, singing peace through all our days. If the wind should blow so strong, we'll answer it with one sweet song. If the road is long to climb, love will carry us through time. One love forever, let the healing never end. One love forever, every stranger is a friend. From broken hearts to brighter skies above, we'll walk together in the power of love. One love forever, peace in every nation, mercy for creation. One love forever, one love forever, one love forever, one love forever. Forever we stand. Morning light upon my face, wash away the tears I trace. Every burden I once knew floats away in waters true. Mother Earth, she calls my name. Love and mercy burn the flame. I won't carry yesterday. Jah life show a brighter Children laughing by the shore, teaching hope forevermore. Hands together, hearts as one, shining brighter than the sun. No more hatred, no more fear. Only truth is living here. Healing river, carry me home, where my weary heart can roam. Healing river, cool and deep, sing my soul to peaceful sleep. Oh, wash my sorrow free. Let love flow through me. Sisters, rise, don't bow your head. Plant tomorrow where tears were shed. Every seed of love we sow into mighty trees will grow. Peace is stronger than the fight. Love will always bring the light. Healing river, keep me strong. Guide my spirit all along. Healing river, crystal bright, lead us through the darkest night. Hand in hand we'll always be, flowing like the endless sea. Healing river, wash the pain away. Healing river, love will lead the way. Oh, Jah, let the people see. Peace be ease in you and me. Morning sun is touching my face. After the storm, I still find grace. They try to bend this heart of mine, but love still grows like the sweetest vine. Every tear became a seed. Every prayer gave what I need. Jah light shining through the rain, healing every hidden pain. Stand firm, my sister, stand firm. Hold your faith, though steal what makes us whole. Lift your voice, let freedom ring. Every child deserves to sing. From the valley to the hill, love is flowering quiet and still. Hand in hand we walk as one, until the work of peace is done. Stand firm, my sisters, stand firm. Hold your faith though the world may turn. Stand firm, don't let hope fade away. Love will guide us to a brighter day. Stand firm, let your spirit rise. Truth is stronger than the darkest skies. When the night is long, keep the fire burning. Every heart of love is always learning. No mountain high can stop tomorrow. Joy will overcome the deepest sorrow. Lift your eyes, the dawn is near. Walk in love and leave your fear. Stand firm, children of the earth. Every soul was born with worth. Stand firm, let the music flow. Plant the seeds and watch them grow. Stand firm, together we'll see. Peace and love shall set us free. Stand firm. Stand firm. Love will never fade. Stand firm. Stand firm. A brighter world is made. Hear the morning calling, children rise. Lift your eyes to the light. I was walking through the valley of sorrow, with a burden heavy on my soul. And the sunrise whispered softly to me, child, don't let your spirit grow cold. Every tear became a river of mercy. Every scar became a story to tell. Now I sing with the wind of freedom. Love will always conquer fear. can hold our spirit, no darkness can steal our song. We are the children of Zion, in love we'll carry on. Mothers praying through the longest night, fathers working for a better day, little voices laughing in the distance, showing us the righteous way. Plant the seed of peace in every nation, water it with kindness every day. When we stand in faith together, hope will never fade on. We are the children of Zion, walking together as one, hands to the heavens, hearts full of fire, shining brighter than the sun. No chains can hold our spirit, no darkness can steal our song. We are the children of Zion, in love we'll carry on. Sister, don't you lose your courage. Brother, keep your faith alive. When the storm clouds gather around us, love will help us rise. One voice becomes a chorus, one heart becomes a flame. Together we keep on singing, peace in every name. We are the children of Zion, standing strong, standing tall, with mercy in our footsteps. There is room enough for all. The morning light is calling, a brand new day has come. We are the children of Zion, forever living as one. Ooh, children of Zion, keep the fire burning bright. Walk in love, walk in peace, until the morning light. I was born where the cold wind cried, dreams were hidden, hearts denied. Still I carried a little flame, calling softly just sweet name. Through the valley, through the rain, love kept washing all my pain. Now I rise with the morning sun, my journey has only begun. Children laughing in the breeze, hope is dancing through the trees. Babylon may build its walls, truth is louder when it calls. Plant the seed and let it grow, peace is all we need to know. Lift your eyes beyond the night, every dawn brings living light. Step by step the road is clear, love is stronger than our fear. These are the roots of freedom, deep within every soul. Mercy is the living water, making every spirit whole. Sing until the mountains answer, sing until the skies agree. The roots of freedom live forever in you and in me. Freedom grows, love will grow, peace will shine. Let it flow. One love rising, strong and free. Roots forever, humanity. I was walking through the shadows, barefoot in the rain, carrying tomorrow with the weight of yesterday's pain. But the morning whispered softly, child, don't lose your way. Love is like the sunrise, always finds another day. No chain can hold my spirit, no storm can steal my song. Jah light keeps on calling, showing where I belong. From broken to better, I rise with the dawn, holding on to hope when the night is gone. From broken to better, my heart is free. Peace like a river keeps flowing through me. One love, one faith, one destiny. Jah is my shelter, forever with me. Every scar's a story, every tear became a seed, growing into kindness for every soul in need. Sisters stand together, brothers take my hand, building up tomorrow with love across the land. Let the drums keep beating, let the children sing. Justice grows like rivers, hope takes root in everything. No more hate between us, no more fear to bear. Lift your voice in unity, peace is everywhere. From broken to better, trading anger for a crown. Hear the drums, they softly call. Love is greater than us all. From the ashes flowers grow. Only peace the world should know. If I fall, I'll rise once more. Love is what we're living for. Every nation, every race, let compassion fill this place. The wind will carry every prayer, healing hearts everywhere. One creator, one embrace. Peace belongs to every place. No more war, no more pain. Let the sunshine fall like rain. One love, growing day by day. Peace will always find a way. No more war, hear my song. Together we are strong. From broken hearts to brighter days, we'll lift the world with songs of praise. No more war, no more tears. Love is stronger through the years. Peace forever, let it be. Jah love, set the people free. Whoa, yeah, yeah. Whoa, love. Whoa, yeah, yeah. Whoa, love. Yeah. Morning breeze whisper through the trees. Wash away my sorrow with the gentle seas. I was walking lonely on a dusty road, till Jah lift my heart and lighten every load. No more fear, no more pain. Love is falling like the healing rain. From the darkness I can see a brighter path calling me. Jah light shine, shine on me. Set my weary spirit free. Guide my footsteps night and day. Never let my soul lose the way. Jah light shine bright and true. Every blessing comes from you. With a thankful heart I'll sing. Peace and love to everything. Children laughing underneath the sun. Every race together now as one. No more hatred, no more pride. Only truth with Jah beside. Lift your hands into the sky. Hope will never truly die. Every tear becomes a song. With Jah's love we all belong. Jah light shine, morning sun is calling my name. After the sorrow, after the rain, I carried tears that nobody knew. Now Jah light is breaking through. I walked alone on a dusty road, with heavy heart and a weary soul. But every step has made me strong. Now I know where I belong. No chains can hold my spirit down. No fear can steal my crown. Love is the fire within my soul, guiding me where rivers flow. Rise again, like the sunrise after the rain. Lift my voice, let freedom sing. Hope is the song my heart will bring. Rise again, love will heal the hurt and pain. Hand in hand we'll stand as one, until the victory is won. Sisters, brothers, hear my cry. Together we'll reach the open sky. Plant the seeds of peace today. Tomorrow blooms along the way. The wind may shake the tallest tree, but roots run deep in dignity. Faith is stronger than the night. Every dawn brings brand new light. I won't surrender to despair. There's healing in the love we share. From broken dreams, new life will grow, like rivers to the ocean flow. Rise again, hope is stronger than the pain. Lift your heart and hold on tight. Love will always win the fight. Rise again, every soul can start again. With Jah's love to guide the way, we'll greet a brighter day. Rise again, rise again. One love, one heart. Together we rise again. Morning sun is breaking through the rain, washing every scar, easing every pain. Children lift their voices to the sky, dreaming of a day where no more mothers cry. The river keeps on singing soft and slow, teaching every heart the way to grow. No chain can hold a spirit born to rise. Love is the answer, shining in our eyes. Peace shall reign, let the whole world sing. From the mountains high to the valleys green, hand in hand we'll stand as one, seed of kindness that we sow turns into a forest as it grows. Lift your sister, lift your brother too. What we give in love comes shining through. Leave behind the anger and the fear. There's a better road that starts right here. Step by step, we'll build a brighter land, guided by compassion, hand in hand. Peace shall reign, let the whole world sing, from the mountains high to the valleys green. Hand in hand, we'll stand as one until the work of love is done. Peace shall reign, hear the people say, light will overcome the darkest day. With every heartbeat, hope remains. Together we know peace shall reign. No wall is higher than a faithful heart. No storm can tear true hope apart. When love is stronger than our pride, a brighter dawn will surely rise. Peace shall reign forevermore. Open every heart and every door. Raise your voice across the sea for every soul to live in harmony. Peace shall reign, let freedom ring. Hear the songs of joy we bring, side by side, through sun and rain, forever and ever. Peace shall reign. Peace shall reign. Peace shall reign in every heart. Peace shall reign. I walk through the valley with tears in my eyes, carried heavy burdens beneath weary skies. They tried to steal my voice, they tried to dim my flame, but Jah knows my story and He called my name. No mountain too high, no river too wide. Love keeps my spirit alive inside. Broken chains beside me, singing one refrain, washing away sorrow like the summer rain. Every scar reminds me how far I have come, from the darkest night to the rising sun. Truth in my heart, peace in my soul, love and righteousness make me whole. Broken chains falling to the ground, hear my freedom in this joyful sound. I will rise like the morning sun, my journey of hope has just begun. Broken chains, no turning back, light of Jah will keep me on the track. Heart so strong, soul untamed, I stand today with broken chains. No fear can hold me, no walls remain, hope grows stronger after every pain. Together we'll sing, together we'll stand, building tomorrow hand in hand. Broken chains, hear the voices sing, hope and freedom every heartbeat bring. Love will guide us every day, shining bright along the way. Broken chains, the battle's won, every daughter is a rising sun. Lift your voice and sing again, forever free with broken chains. Broken chains, freedom reigns, just love remains. Broken chains. Morning sun is calling to the rain, washing all the hurt, easing every pain. Mama said stand tall, don't lose your way. Love will light the darkness into day. Lift your eyes beyond the fear. Every soul is welcome here. One love forever, shining like the morning light. One heart together, keeping hope alive tonight. No walls between us, no chains upon our soul. One love forever. nation, one love forever. Forever we morning light upon my face, wash away the tears I trace. Every burden I once knew floats away in waters true. Mother Earth, she calls my name. Love and mercy burn the flame. I won't carry yesterday. Your light show a brighter way. Healing river, carry me home, where my weary heart can roam. Healing river, cool and deep, sing my soul to peaceful sleep. Oh, wash my sorrow free. Let love flow through me. Children laughing by the shore, teaching hope forevermore. Hands together, hearts as one, shining brighter than the sun. No more hatred, no more fear. Only truth is living here. Healing river, carry me home, where my weary heart can roam. Healing river, cool and deep, sing my soul to peaceful sleep. Oh, wash my sorrow free. Let love flow through me. Sisters, rise, don't bow your head. Plant tomorrow where tears were shed. Every seed of love we sow into mighty trees will grow. Peace is stronger than the fight. Love will always bring light. Healing river, keep me strong, guide my spirit all along. Healing river, crystal bright, lead us through the darkest night. Hand in hand we'll always be, flowing like the endless sea. Healing river, healing river, healing river, wash the pain away. Healing river, healing river, healing river, love will lead the way. Oh, Jah, let the people see. love's touching my face. After the storm, I still find grace. They try to bend this heart of mine, but love still grows like the sweetest vine. Every tear became a seed, every prayer gave what I need. Jah light shining through the rain, healing every hidden pain. Stand firm, my sister, stand firm. Hold your faith, though the world may turn. Stand firm, don't let hope fade away. Love will guide us to a brighter day. Stand firm, let your spirit rise. Truth is stronger than the darkest skies. Oh, no chains can bind a faithful soul. No fear can steal what makes us whole. Lift your voice, let freedom ring. Every child deserves to sing. From the valley to the hill, love is flowing quiet and still. Hand in hand we walk as one until the work of peace is done. Stand firm, my sister, stand firm. Hold your faith, though the world may turn. Stand firm, don't let hope fade away. Love will guide us to a brighter day. Stand firm, let your spirit rise. Truth is stronger than the darkest skies. When the night is long, keep the fire burning. Every heart of love is always learning. No mountain high can stop tomorrow. Joy will overcome the deepest sorrow. Lift your eyes, the dawn is near. Walk in love and leave your fears. Stand firm, children of the earth. Every soul was born with word. Stand firm, let the music flow. with a burden heavy on my soul. Then the sunrise whispered softly to me, child, don't let your spirit grow cold. Every tear became a river of mercy. Every scar became a story to tell. Now I sing with the wind of freedom. Love will always conquer fear. We are the children of Zion, walking together as one. Hands to the heavens, hearts full of fire, shining brighter than the sun. No chains can hold our spirit. No darkness can steal our soul. We are the children of Zion. In love, we'll carry on. Mothers praying through the longest night. Fathers working for a better day. Little voices laughing in the distance, showing us the righteous way. Plant the seed of peace in every nation. Water it with kindness every day. When we stand in faith together, hope will never Peace is all we need to know. Lift your eyes beyond the night. Every dawn brings living light. Step by step the road is clear. Love is stronger than our fear. These are the roots of freedom, deep within every soul. Mercy is the living water, making every spirit whole. Sing until the mountains answer, sing until the skies agree. The roots of freedom live forever in you and in me. Freedom grow, love will grow, peace will shine, let it flow. One love rising, strong and free, roots forever, humanity. I was walking through the shadows, barefoot in the rain, carrying tomorrow with the weight of yesterday's pain. But the morning whispered softly, child, don't lose your way. Love is like the sunrise, always finds another day. No chain can hold my spirit, no storm can steal my song. Jah light keeps on calling, showing where I belong. From broken to better, I rise with the dawn, holding on to hope when the night is gone. From broken to better, my heart is free. Peace like a river keeps flowing through me. One love, one faith, one destiny. Jah is my shelter, forever with me. Every scar's a story, every tear became a seed, growing into kindness for every soul in need. Sisters stand together, brothers take my hand, building up tomorrow with love across the land. Let the drums keep beating, let the children sing. Justice grows like rivers, hope takes root in everything. No more hate between us, no more fear to bear. Lift your voice in unity, peace is everywhere. From broken to better, the journey goes on. With every new sunrise, another life's reborn. From broken to better. forever we rise. Once green, now covered in pain. Still I know love will rise again. Every heart was born to be free, like the rivers run into the sea. No more chains to hold us down. Love will wear the victor's crown. Lift your eyes beyond the smoke. Hope is stronger than the yoke. Jah gives strength to every soul. Healing hearts will make us whole. No more war, no more pain. Let the sunshine fall like rain. One love growing day by day. Peace will always find a way. No more hate, no more fear. Let every voice be loud and clear. Hand in hand, we all can stand, building hope across the land. Sisters singing through the night, keeping every candle bright. Brothers laying weapons down, trading anger for a crown. Hear the drums, they soar tears. Love is stronger through the years. Peace forever, let it be. Jah love set the people free. Morning breeze whisper through the trees, wash away my sorrow with the gentle seas. I was walking lonely on a dusty road, till Jah lift my heart and lighten every load. No more fear, no more pain. Love is falling like the healing rain. From the darkness I can see a brighter path calling me. Jah light shine, shine on me. Set my weary spirit free. Guide my footsteps night and day. Never let my soul lose the way. Jah light shine bright and true. Every blessing comes from you. With a thankful heart I'll sing peace and love to everything. Children laughing underneath the sun. Every race together now as one. No more hatred, no more pride. Only truth with Jah beside. Lift your hands into the sky. Hope will never truly die. Every tear becomes a song. With Jah's love we all belong. Jah light shine, shine on me. Set my weary spirit free. Guide my footsteps night and day. Never let my soul lose the way. Jah light shine bright and true. Every blessing comes from you. With a thankful heart I'll sing peace and love to everything. When the storm clouds fill the air, I know Jah is always there. Through the valley, through the fire, love will lift my spirit higher. Jah light shine, shine on me. Let the whole world live in peace. Hearts united, voices strong. Together we can carry on. Jah light shine. but every step has made me strong. Now I know where I belong. No chains can hold my spirit bound. No fear can steal my crown. Love is the fire within my soul, guiding me where rivers flow. Rise again, like the sunrise after the rain. Lift my voice, let freedom sing. Hope is the song my heart will bring. Rise again, love will heal the hurt and pain. Hand in hand we'll stand as one until the victory is won. Sisters, brothers, hear my cry. Together we'll reach the open sky. Plant the seeds of peace today. Tomorrow blooms along the way. The wind may shake the tallest tree, but roots run deep in dignity. Faith is stronger than the night. Every dawn brings brand new light. I won't surrender to despair. There's healing in the love we share. From broken dreams, new life will grow, like rivers to the ocean flow. Rise again, hope is stronger than the pain. Lift your heart and hold on tight. Love will always win the fight. Rise again, every soul can start again. With just love to guide the way, we'll greet a brighter day. Rise again. One love, one heart. Together we